Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Love at Home with Kim. I'm your co-host Jeremy, and today I'm going to give you a 14-day update after the flowering of the dragon fruits. As you can see, now that the white flower has been gone, now the dragon fruit is getting into shape and form. They're also changing color. Some of them are turning orange, some of them are turning purple. As you can see over here, I think this one probably aborted, might need to come out, but we'll just take it out. So this is what happens when it's aborted. It turns orange, it won't grow, so we just might as well take that out so it doesn't take away all the fruit energy from the vine. Over here we have some really good ones. They look all pretty small because this is still a very young dragon fruit, but they are surviving. Majority of them look really good. I think this is probably age number 4 years old. Let's see where it's a good one. Oh, here's a really pretty one right there. It's a purple one, still growing. Looks like it's not aborted because it's still stuck to the stem. Can you see it? So this is going to be a very young. They look pretty small, but it looks good. This one aborted. So unfortunately, what happens when it's aborted, I just take them out. I mean, we'll try again next year. Hopefully they won't abort as much. And let's see what else we have here. So we counted 23 of them. And it looks like when they're all like this, you can also take out the flower inside, but it looks like still too young. Or like this one. Let's see if I can take one off. Okay, maybe not. It looks a little hard, so I'll leave it there. But other than that, this is our 14-day update of dragon fruits since they all blossomed. So hopefully, in the next 30 days, they'll be ready. Usually it takes about 40 days from the flower for it to be harvested, so you get great sweetness of the dragon fruit. So stay tuned. This is day 14, and in 30 days we'll give you the 30-day harvest video follow-up. Thanks for watching.